Hello and welcome to SAP Process Automation. My name is Nele, and in this video I will give you a short introduction about the process we are going to build in the upcoming tutorials. The use case we are looking at will be the processing of a sales order. For those who don't know, let me elaborate on what a sales order is exactly and how the steps of processing one can look like. To put it simple, a sales order is a document which confirms a sale. It is generated by the seller after receiving a purchase order from the buyer. This document contains information regarding the sale, such as the price, quantity, and buyer details. This information is vital for the sales and operational staff of a company. Sales orders from different customers need to be handled differently, based on the sales order amount. There might be a dedicated approval necessary before the order can be placed in SAP S/4HANA. In many companies, the processing of a sales order is still manual and therefore time-intensive and prone to mistakes. But with SAP Process Automation, you can change that.